Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this cute design featuring Ryan from Kakao Friends. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Once the base polish is dry, use an orange or brown polish to make a circle on the right side of your nail near the cuticle. Add 2 small semicircles above the large circle as ears. Outline the head and the ears with black. Make 2 connected black circles for the snout. Fill in the circles with white, making sure to leave a black outline around all of the edges. Use black to add a triangular nose, 2 dots for the eyes, and 2 straight lines for the eyebrows. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!